Today we are going to check how is an LED headlight is being checked and tested in our section. So this is the LED headlight of NSAVE make. We have four types of LED headlights, four different makes of LED headlight in our shed. One is NSAVE, one is Matsushi, one is Altos, and one is Ignoto. And today we are going to check how an LED headlight is being tested in our section. So this is our NSAVE make LED headlight. Here we can see two separate independent high intensity LED lamps. These two independent LED unit have their separate driver unit. So first step of the LED headlight testing and which is the visual inspection test. We should carry out a thorough visual inspection of the light. Visual inspection means first we have to check the physical condition of the headlight. There should not be any crack or damage to the headlight body, and there should not be any damage to the headlight glasses. And here we have gaskets available in front of in and around the glasses, and that gasket, there should not be any damage to the gasket. If any damage available means water will enter into the LED headlight unit and it will damage the headlight. And between the Loco body and the headlight body, for preventing the water entry, there is another gasket available here backside of the headlight. That should be also in good condition and no damage for it is permitted. So according to RDSO specifications, the voltage range of the headlight is in between 85 volt to 138 volt. That means our LED should work at a minimum voltage of 85 volt and it can go up to 138 volt, and its power consumption should not be more than 100 watt at 110 voltage. For checking the LED headlight control unit, we should remove the cover bolt using the Allen key, and we should open the LED headlight driver unit. Here we can see four separate driver units, two for bright mode, two for dim mode. It is a constant current LED driver unit, and here is the input voltage of this driver unit is 110 volt and its output voltage is 24 volt. Here is the input part. The input cables are coming through this terminal, and here is the output terminal. This is the input part of the LED headlight driver unit, and this is the output part of the LED headlight driver unit. While checking the headlight, we should thoroughly check that all these cables should be properly inserted into the TB, and the conducting part of the two cables should not touch each other. All these cables should be thoroughly go to inside the TB, and it should be connected well, and it should be connected tightly. No slack or any other touching of cables should not be allowed, while that should be ensured while checking that. Also, during the checking of these cables, we should ensure there is no overheating mark or any insulation damage to these cables. And this is the earth wire. This is the earth wire of the LED light driver unit, and the earth should be properly connected and it should be properly tightened. That should also be ensured. And after all these inspections, we can close the inspection door. Here many screws available. The LED headlight driver unit is mounted on the screws, and all the screws should be tightened very well, and no slack is allowed. That also to be ensured. Next, we have to carry out the insulation resistance test of the LED headlight. According to RDSO specifications, we have to check three insulation resistance values. One is between 110 volt circuit to earth, that should be minimum 20 mega ohm should come, minimum 20 mega ohm should come. Then screen to earth, its minimum value is 10 mega ohm. Then lamp unit to earth, its minimum value is 10 mega ohm. All these mega values should be checked, and minimum it should be gone above the minimum values. So after all the necessary checkings, here we are going to test the LED headlight by giving 110 volt DC supply. Here we have connected the headlight in the test stand, and we are giving 110 volt DC voltage, and we are going to test the LED headlight. So this is the bright mode of the LED headlight. Here totally there are 42 LED lamps available, and we should ensure all the LEDs are glowing. And this is the next we are going to turn on the dim. This is the dim mode of the during testing of a headlight. One thing we have to ensure is that there should not be any flickering of the LEDs during the testing time, so that should also be ensured. No flickering should be available. A minimum of 2 hours, both the bright mode we have to check a minimum of 2 hours, dim mode also we have to check a minimum of 2 hours. After that only we should load that light into the locomotive. So before loading the headlight, we should ensure all the outside bolt tightness using the Allen key. Here there are 4 bolts available for fixing the glass of the headlight. All the 4 bolts should be tightened very well.